Always keep this calibration at the maximum, okay? And we want to put modulating signal now on. One hold and 3K. 1 hold and 3K. So you can see that 3 picks are there in the 1 division, okay? 1 into this. You have to adjust modulating signal 3K and 1 hold. Okay? 3K and 1 hold. After that, adjust this DC bias as usual. First, make it ground. Okay? Normally, as the ground cutter, you have to keep it on the vertical state. Then this is ground. DC. Then keep on 2 hold. It's there. Already adjusted 8 volt. अभी ये डीसी कैसे एडजस्ट किया है वो भी देखते रहो. बाद में डीसी कैसे एडजस्ट करते हैं वो समझ में नहीं आता. डीसी एडजस्ट करने के लिए यहाँ पे डालना है, एक ग्राउंड में रहेगा. पहले यू आर डूइंग इट एट प्लेसिंग इट एट ग्राउंड, देन डीसी, देन माय होल्ड पर डिवीजन इज एट 2 होल्ड बिकॉज आई वांट 8 होल्ड्स. ओके, सो 4 डिविजन्स इनटू 2, 8 होल्ड. नाउ connect this to output of power amplifier. Connect this knob is at max, okay, and put this on AC. My carrier is of 1 mega, so I am keeping it at the fine. It is 1 mega, and you can see that its amplitude is nearly, it's on 2, so this is 2.6 into 2, so it is nearly 4 something. 5.2. ठीक है? This is your carrier amplitude and its frequency is 1 megahertz. ठीक है? Right? Where I am observing this signal at the output of power amplifier. ठीक है? Now supply. Give this input. ठीक है? This will be your input. सुरुवातीला इनपुट नाही म्हणजे काय झालं, आय एम ऑब्झर्विंग जस्ट कॅरी. ठीक आहे. नाउ दिस इज ॲट द ॲम्प्लिफाईड. यू कॅन सी दिस वन ऑल्सो. If I am taking this to 0.1 volt, it means the signal is, this is your AM signal, and if I am saying amplified means its amplitude is increased. Okay. So this is your A. Now I want to see its spectrum. So keep this at only M. It will show you modulating signal. Okay. Why I am taking this to CRO? Because I want to change this voltage to 2 volt and 3 volt. This is now at 1 volt. Then place this. Is auto. Okay, after pressing auto, go to span. In span, reduce it to 10K, nearly 10 to 15K. Huh? It's not like that. If I'm saying 10K, it must be 10K. It is in between 10 to 15K. Okay. Then use this bandwidth button. In that VBW, reduce this VBW to 50 Hertz first. 30 Hertz पे चलेगा, कोई भी ले लो, 50 लो या 30 लो. ओके. उसके बाद में आपको ये सिग्नल ऐसे दिख रहा है अभी. एटलीस्ट यू आर गेटिंग 2 sidebands and 1 carrier. Now again reduce this to 10 Hertz. I am reducing because I am doing that signal slow. I am removing that residues. Okay, you can go till 5 Hertz. See the changes. Okay, If you are reducing more, it will be again reducing slowly. ठीक है? Now these are your peaks. This is your peak. It's 995.62. Okay, that is PC. We have nearly adjusted to 1 mega. Right? Then minus 3 point something is your power. Okay, this power can be observed in that also.
Ma'am, which buttons you pressed right now?
Amplitude, in amplitude units. These units. Now again go to peak. This is your okay. And if I want to check this right one, just move this. This is frequency of your upper side band and its power. Okay. Likewise, you can go to lower side band. When both powers are same, right? And frequencies also. Means it should be FC minus FM and that is FC plus FM. Okay, and calculate the bandwidth for this. Now you know that I am giving as a 6K, right? 3K. So my bandwidth should be 16. Okay, so can you calculate bandwidth by subtracting USB minus LSB? Okay, so this will be your readings. After that, what you have to do? Just change this amplitude to 2. Okay, this 2 now. I'm not changing the frequency. BC constant है म्हणून तुम्हाला PC constantच मिळेल. Then again press auto and do all the process. ठीक है? Okay now? तो अभी थोड़ा एक 4-5 लोगों का ग्रुप करके एक रीडिंग नोट करो और वो रीडिंग मुझे दिखाओ. Why I am asking you to show? Because we want that if I am changing M, I am increasing M, my power should be increased. Okay? हाँ, तो वो आपको मिल रहा है क्या वो देखो. ठीक है? अभी मैंने सिर्फ ऑटो किया है, बाकी आपको